lalapit. Ay. Oh. Ang bigat.
Since dito na rin lang, good luck sa mga tukod namin.
Oh, may sakura din pala sila dito. It's day 2 in Vietnam and today ang ating itinerary ay pupunta tayo sa Fancy Pan and going to Moana. So, we booked our tour kaya wala na kaming iisipin for the day. This is the view from our hotel and as usual ay foggy pa rin. Yan yung view pababa. Maraming staircase dito sa Sapa kasi nga mountainous area siya. Para siyang Baguio City na mas malamig na version. And today, it's actually rainy. Last night, akala ko, it was just a fog. But sabi nung na-meet namin na foreigner last night, rain siya actually. Akala ko makapal lang siya na fog. We decided to buy gloves for me and my husband. How much are the gloves? 150? Of course, we want the cheaper ones.
Yeah.
If we buy two, 150 only. 150. Is it okay?
Two.
Okay, this one is really cute. Okay, I'll buy two. Nandito na yung iba nating kasama and check natin kung ano yung outfit nila. This is Sir Vincent. Sir Vincent, what are you wearing today?
199 sweater from Serenade. So, sale from American Outlet, Under Armour.
Kanyo to may kahoy siya. Ito yung ginagamit siguro ng mga traditional Vietnamese to collect. Ay, oo nga, mabigat. Ang bigat. This is our tour guide. Ito na yung aming van. Ito na ang entrance ng Fancy Pan. Ito ang view dito. Puro fog lang. Grabe. Sun World Fancy Pan. Wow, may ganito daddy. Cherry blossom mo. Oh, may sakura din pala sila dito. Sobrang ginaw. Yan, may nakita akong Korean couple dito. Art nila made of real plants. Grabe. Wag mo akong susundan ah. Akong lalapit.
Ito yung view from the cable car, puro lang fog. Ayan, pababa na kami dyan. And while bumababa ka, umaandar yung cable car. Kaya dapat bilisan mo kasi kung hindi babalik ka dun sa pinanggalingan mo. Ayan, lakad-lakad until we reach this point. Pero syempre, picture muna.
So, we decided to ano bang tawag? Akyatin yung
Peak.
by foot.
Okay, since nandito na rin lang, good luck sa mga tukod namin. They said it's 80 steps, Doc, na. Parang ang layo pa. Hindi ko na kaya.
Happy New Year, how are you?
Good, how about you?
Tapos ano?
We finally reached the Buddha. It is made of copper. And while looking at it, I can only imagine kung paano nila ginawa tong napakalaking structure na ito. Pwede ka rin pumasok sa loob. And since my guard, it reminds me of Luneta. We thought of climbing up to the summit, but decided not to kasi pagod na kami and naubusan na kami ng hininga. And by the way, you can opt to ride a train if you want to reach the top. We didn't reach the summit pero nagkasundo kami ng mga kasama namin na ang i-claim namin nakarating kami doon. Pero hindi naman talaga, and since napanood mo tong vlog na to, alam mo na hindi kami nakarating doon. So nung pabalik, meron ng good view from the cable kasi nabawasan na yung fog. At this point, gutom na kami, kaya naman we deserve a good lunch. Kapag bababa ka ng cable car, strategically located doon yung souvenir shop. Meron ditong mga scarves, traditional Vietnamese costume, stuffed toys, at marami pang iba. Pero dahil wala tayong pera, hindi tayo bumili. Paglabas ng souvenir shop, marami pa ring attraction like this wheel, these cute statues. Ito yung makikita mo upon entering Fancy Pan, pero dahil overstimulated kami at gusto na naming maggala-gala, hindi namin ito napasyalan. Kaya we took the opportunity para mag-take ng photo upon exit. Time to eat! My God, nakakagutom ang Fancy Pan. Pero may takeaway sa aming tour sa Fancy Pan ay sayang hindi namin inakyat yung summit. Nandun na rin lang kami, hindi pa namin tinuloy. Hehe, but anyway, the place is overstimulating. So if you are into Instagrammable photos, adventurous, you want to try something new, Fancy Pan is a good place for you. Ginseng yan na may alak. O alak na may ginseng. Kahit ano na. So hanggang dito na lang guys, and see you on the next chapter of this travel series. Let's explore Moana on the next video.